Transform your bathroom with Golden Elite Deco's LED Medicine Cabinet Collection. Our arched LED medicine cabinet features a sleek matte black aluminum frame with smart anti-fog technology and 3 adjustable color temperatures. Includes a removable side mirror, plus built-in time and temperature display. Need more? Our smart anti-fog mirror delivers the same intelligent features in 5 sizes: 24, 30, 36, 40, and 48 inches. Our LED medicine cabinet offers premium construction. Perfect storage meets modern style. Enjoy smooth, soft closing technology with UniHoppers for effortless use. Create extra space for your bathroom essentials. Plus, a built-in plug lets you power your hairdryer or other bathroom tools right where you need them. Golden Elite Deco. Innovative design meets everyday beauty.